Well, I applied for the affiliate program on a website, Kaiweets. They have electrical testers and whatnot. And I was approved, so they sent me a battery tester. So let's get into it. All right. It's their KVB01 battery tester. Obviously, I haven't opened it yet. So let me get the box open and see what it looks like. And I think since the weather's not so good outside, I think I'm just going to test it or use it to test my battery on my old lawnmower over there. So let's try it out. Okay, as you can see, the box was kind of damaged in, I guess, in shipping. So let's hope the product's still okay. If I can figure out how to get this stupid box open. There we go. Oh, check it out. It came in a case too. A little bag. That's awesome. Of course, it came with a book. Pretty thick book. A bunch of different languages. I was going to say I don't need no book, but last time I said that, I ended up needing a book. Anyway. Cool case. At least they send you stuff that's actually in a pretty decent case. Unlike the wireless mics that I'm using. But I will say the wireless mics are way better than what I expected, so it makes up for not having a very good case. Besides, I just keep them in here and keep this in the computer room. I either keep it in the computer room or in my camera case, not in their case. So anyway, let's check this out. Now, it doesn't look like the leads come off. I don't know if they do or not. Looks like it's got some pretty decent leads on it too. Wow. Long leads too. I'm kind of impressed with that. That's freaking awesome. Pretty strong clamps. Now, I will say, even though it looks like it's got pretty decent wire, you look inside, that wire is tiny. But it's just a tester. It's not a, well, I guess it ain't going to put much of a load on it with them little wires. But, and I'm assuming you have to plug it up to the, plug it up to the battery for it to come on. Here's the front of it. Of course, it's got a protective film on it that needs to go away, right? Even though I probably should leave that on there. In fact, I think I will. If I can get it to go back in the right spot, huh? Come on, really? Work with me, fingers. Well, we'll get that back on there in a minute, maybe. Let's go over there to the battery and check it out. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not. Got it hooked up. Let's see, let's go. I got to go to 300 cranking amps because that's what this little small battery is. Well, says it's testing. Uh-oh, look at that. It says attention. State of charge is 49%. State of health is 46%. It's only got 204 cranking amp. You know what that means? It needs to be charged because this thing has been sitting for a couple months and ain't been cranked up. So that's probably not very good, is it, huh? Anyway, let's see. I guess that ain't gonna do anything. That button don't do anything, so let's go escape. I ain't gonna do a cranking test or a charging test because I'm not gonna crank it up in this enclosed garage because it'll choke me out, right? Let's see what load testing is. Turn on the load. We don't want to do that because we don't have any load. So, and it does charging test, cranking test. That's awesome. When I have a battery tester, but it's a freaking huge one, and it's kind of a pain in the butt to use because it keeps wanting to print, and it don't even have a printer hooked to it, although it has print capabilities. But anyway, that's pretty cool. Let's test it again, see what it does. Already got everything set. Testing. Pretty much the same thing. Well, now it says 49% state of charge. Attention, attention, attention. So, I guess I need to put this thing on charge or let it run for a minute. Okay, we're back over here at the table. Now, it's cool that this thing will do load test when it's running and a charging test. You can do a charging test to make sure your alternator is charging, and you can do a load test to see if the battery still holds up or the charging system holds up under a load, like when the lights are on or AC is on and all that good stuff, windshield wipers, whatever it puts a load on it, right? So that's pretty cool. And of course, you can set it to a bunch of different languages too, but just wanted to show you again the tool. I think that's pretty awesome. You see it? Kawitz KVB01 battery tester. There's the information on the back in case you want to see that. Of course, it don't say where it's made, does it? Now, it's got something here, but I don't know what that is. It don't seem to come out. And of course, you roll the leads back up and they go in this side of the bag. And the tester itself goes in this side. The pouch, rather, bag, whatever you want to call it. That would have been cool if they would have sent me a sticker. Whatever. Let's look at the box and see if it says where it's made. It's probably made in China. Seems to be a pretty good tester though. I like it. And like I said, there's some stuff right there if you want to see it. Here's the box again, in case you want to see it. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's for. Anyway, I don't know what that's for. That little piece on the bottom, maybe it's for a different model that has a printout or something. But like I said, my other one has a printout, or it's capable of it. It don't actually have the printer. And every time you want to go, you hit escape or whatever, or exit, you want to go from the battery test to a charging test, you got to wait because it's got to try to print, and then it realizes, oh, there's no printer, so it takes for freaking ever. I don't like it. This does not take forever. This is awesome. Like I said, I didn't want to do a load test or a charging test on that mower because, first of all, the mower's loud as crap, riding lawnmower, right? And it's enclosed in his garage. I didn't want to get choked out. And I don't have nothing else here to test it on. So, but like I said, I did not pay for this. They sent it to me. I guess I'm an affiliate with them. Just wanted to show it to you. This is pretty awesome. Thank you very much, Kawitz, for sending me this. I appreciate it. And like always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.